there is one command: curl. This technique is for educational purposes only and should not be tried on the public internet. It will help you understand what information is out there about you. Curl is a versatile command line tool and library used for transferring data with URLs. We strongly suggest that you look at the help or man pages just to familiarize yourself with this command and how powerful it is. Now, if you visit the website ipinfo.io, you will see the location of any IP address on Earth. In this example, I have searched up the location of Google's DNS server. We can use the curl command, followed by just the website of ipinfo.io, and this shows my location, IP address, city, and more useful information. If you tried this with a VPN turned on and select a different country, the information will be different. Now, if you use the same command, but use a / followed by the IP address of your target, it will give a lot of useful information. In this case, it's Google's DNS server again. Okay, so here is a little bonus bit of material. GitHub has a useful tool called iptracer. It will display similar information to ipinfo.io. I'll run through the quick install here. Grab the git clone command from the web page and copy that over to your terminal. Paste it in and execute the command. It runs quickly and creates a folder called ip-tracer. Use the cd command to change to this folder, and we need to change the permissions of the install file sitting inside this directory. chmod + xinstall will get you there. Run an ls, and you can see the file is executable. Lastly, run the sh-install command, and it will finish with a message saying, iptracer is installed. To carry out a location check of an IP address, just issue the trace-t command, followed by the IP address. It reveals the information you need, including the city, region, and map coordinates. Thanks for watching this one today. If you found it useful, subscribe to the channel and watch our next video. Bye for now.